Basa.
On the patintero. On the playground after school, Pat saw their new classmate.
Kusga kayo kadungog.
The pool,
Paul.
pool,
Paul.
all look, our new classmate is all alone. Let's help him.
Let's
Let's help him.
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 Kusga.
Him.
Mm.
Hello, I'm Paul.
Paul.
Paul. This is my friend Pat. Welcome to our school. What's your name? Who you? I'm Pete.
I'm Pete.
I'm Pete.
Kusga lagi.
I'm Pete. Would you like to play? Yes, what game do we play? We like playing patintero. I like playing patintero too.
Kusga.
Let's play classmates. Come, let's play patintero. After, let's stop, let's take some rest. Yes, let's take a rest. That was fun. Thank you for playing with me. You're welcome. We are happy to be your friends.
How did Pat and Paul show respect for life?